All right, so the 4 hour real quick. Always have to start on the higher time frame. 4 hour looks pretty bullish, respecting this 4 hour fair value gap. What about on NASDAQ? Yep, looks pretty bullish, respecting that new week opening gap. Already cleared this 4 hour imbalance. It's looking like it's longs today. Longs again today. It just depends what indice you really want to take it on. NASDAQ looks pretty bullish here. 1 minute order block. Respecting this order block real quick. What do we think? All right, I'm in long position on NASDAQ. Stop loss below. Aiming for this fair value gap right here. You want to see it hold this order block.
Order filled.
What is he? Man, I bought money here, bro. All right, this is the midnight opening price. We're gonna see some balance. We're gonna see some bounce from here. Big imbalance right here. On the 5 minute, there's an imbalance too. You want to see it close though. You want to see a strong close here. This looks like a nice trade. Stop loss below, weak opening. Market looks pretty bearish actually.
Order filled.
All right, we just got filled. Watch for that midnight opening price. That's the strong. Oh, here, I'll get in one more.
Order filled.
Looks something like this. We don't have any news today, right? We had no news today, so it shouldn't be. There you go. Nice rebound. Very nice. You want to see strong follow through here. We're basically opening that. We're respecting that new week opening gap really well, and the midnight opening price, which we tend to do anyways. S&P at the same time. It's doing pretty well right here. You see this imbalance. This is what I really like to see when both indices are moving together. Might have been just a liquidity sweep here on NASDAQ. That midpoint is really important. Tech might be down today. No, Tesla's down, Apple's down, Nvidia's up. Tech's pretty down. Microsoft, Meta, S&P looks strong here. I might get into this S&P long. Watch S&P looks really strong. NASDAQ is back. There you go. I'm gonna add one more here.
Order filled.
I'm liking this rebound. With S&P holding up, I'm liking this rebound. There you go. Very good drive. I might take it off right here just for some safety. Take one off at here. Reduce my stop. 1700. A little bit more and I'm closing. A little bit more and then I'm closing my position. It's fine. Let it rebound. I'm not closing it now. I'm gonna manually close this. See, there's a little order block here. It was really expected to see that reaction as soon as we got that nice follow through. See, S&P is still holding up like that. This is the modified version of the new week opening gap. So when we clear this level, you'll see, if we hold it, you should see some follow through. Great. 1500. You don't want to see it go below this level here. Otherwise, it's probably going to just give it up. Nice close. Very nice close. Shows intent. If S&P gives it up here, then it's wraps. There you go. One more push over this high and then I'm taking it off. You gotta be patient, guys. This is the part where it actually makes you a better trader overall, because you're accepting that this can come down and cut your profit in half, but I'm also accepting the trade idea that I planned before I even got in the trade. So this is the part that really does make you a better trader overall, because you're not putting the money over the idea you had, which brought you to the money at the first place. I'm seeing some rejection here. You see the 4 or 5 wicks of rejection. One more follow through. All right, I'm taking it off here.
Order filled.
$1,900. See, just a multiple rejection candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wicks. There you go, and it's fine. That little $200-300 would have ruined my day if I didn't catch this trade. But in theory, S&P is holding it. I should have held on to this trade. Still walking out with $2,000, and this should do it for the trading day. There's no news today, so there's going to be no action pretty much. S&P looked like it's kind of stalling. NASDAQ, you had a really bloody morning, so I just took my scalp and I'm done with the day. Tuesday should be action packed. There's a bunch of news on Tuesday, so I'm saving my capital for another day. That's how this industry really works. Save your capital for another day. All right, so NASDAQ looks like it really is ready to continue higher. We're seeing really bullish candles here. This was our first trade, or at least till here. So I'm looking to long this again, honestly. 5 minute looks pretty bullish. Look, that imbalance, that 5 minute imbalance got filled pretty well. This doesn't look pretty bad.
Order filled.
It's a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio trade to just, I like this. Look how S&P is holding up. We might see some rejection from this order block right here. I'm not gonna lie, I might take it off here. We get one more little push. That would be a nice place to take it off. I'm not gonna lie. Even though it's a very negative, it's not a good risk to reward, obviously, but you know that blue line is going to get hit. Balance right here. Don't be scared, my guys. Don't be scared. We're gonna come into this and take off. You might as well even add one there. S&P's taking off. This one's gone. That S&P long would have hit. I was thinking about it too. Come on, there you go. Not gonna close, but I told you that blue line was gonna hit. Like, you could have confirmed some profits at least, but I'll wait for the follow through. There you go. Another $1,000. I'm taking it.
Order filled.
I would have canceled the trade over here anyways. There you go. Perfect. What's the P&L for the day? $2,144 for the day. Very good trading day. You guys know how much $2,000 a day is, considering weekends are closed, right? There's 270 trading days. Of 365 days out the year, there's 270 trading days. $2,000 a day for 270 trading days is $500,000. And you guys want $10,000 days. You guys want $5,000 days, but you have to take these. Making $500,000 from trading alone is super fucking hard. It's really hard. $2,000 a day is $500,000 a trading year, right? You put away 30% for Uncle Sam, you're left with $170,000, right? You put away 30% for taxes, you're left with 378, about 400 racks. Now $2,000, you can make more than that, but that's really, like, you're living very comfortably. This is a doctor's salary we're talking about. 378 racks, 400, 500 racks. There's way to save money on taxes, but we'll get into that in another video. But you guys should, this is what keeps you afloat. You guys should be happy with $2,000 days. This is beautiful, man. Honestly, the tape reading on S&P 500 alone was really impressive as well. We basically knew that this was bound to go higher. S&P was dropping, what is this, 200 points, and we kept over these highs the whole time. We built a base around here, and then we took off. But anyways, guys, I hope you learned something. I'm gonna post this on my TikTok and my YouTube long form, so you can see the entire trading day. But if you guys learned something, how to tape read, how to take these trades, and how to approach the trading day with news, new week opening gaps, the imbalances, looking at both indexes, 4 or 5 things that we learned just this morning, that if I try to put this in a presentation and try to teach you without live trading, it would be really hard for me to explain. So if you want to be in live trading on my Discord, DM me and I'll invite you to my Discord. It's very intimate right now. It's not really open to a lot of people. So because I don't want beginners on my Discord that don't understand what I'm saying. Get me? So if you learned something, leave a comment, leave a subscribe, and I'll see you guys at the next video. Thank you, guys.